Hello and welcome to another video of campers.eu. In this video we're going to do a tour of one of our stock cars. It's a Volkswagen California and I hope you like it. If you have questions you can always contact us. So here's the car. It's a Volkswagen California Ocean 2.0 TDI 199 horsepower DSG gearbox with 4Motion. So it's the full Monty on this car. It's Starlight blue, it's the dark blue color, and as you can see it has the blue canvas as well, the blue tent, and it's you can unzip the front. We chose to put big tires on this car, so it has the 18-inch Palmerston wheels, Palmerston black, which look amazing in this configuration. You always get the LED headlights, and you see there's the 4Motion badge. We've also added an awning, a cassette awning in black. Again, the interior we will do later. So here in the back we have the LED tail lights, 4Motion badging. It has a rear view camera. It's located there. And then here below you can see it has a removable tow bar. So let's move to the inside of the car and see what we have there. So in the interior you see the standard cloth. As most of you know, we can always upgrade this to leather in any color you like. And then we have the graphite interior. Graphite is a standard Ocean material. And again, of course, the sink, the 2-burner hob, and everything that comes with the California Ocean. Now let's go and see the dashboard and all the options it has there. So here's the dashboard of the T6.1. The multifunctional steering wheel, of course, with adaptive cruise control. We have power folding mirrors. We have a light and vision pack with rain sensor and light sensor. And we have opted for the digital display, which is always nice to see. Here on the steering wheel you have buttons to change the layout. First we go to navigation, and then you can see if I press the view button, you have a classic look or the full navigation look. And if you want navigation in this screen, you have to choose the Pro navigation unit, which we did. And in here you see it has all the equipment you need. It has DAB radio is standard on all our radios. It has the App Connect. It even has wireless Apple CarPlay, and then we have drive assistance. This car is equipped with adaptive cruise control, front assist, lane assist, so it steers in the lane, dynamic road sign displayed, and you can see the speed limit in the digital dashboard, the trailer recognition. It also comes with park assist, so the car can park itself. And of course seat heating and so on. Let's go to the back. Here we see that we have the outside shower. You can connect it to this box, and we have the comfort mattress. So it's the thicker mattress, which is more comfortable. It has all the LED lights and the tailgate, and like a lot of you know, the seats, the camping seats are located in here. So all in all, I think with this configuration it's great looking in the dark blue with a dark tent, and then the 18-inch wheels. To me this looks really tasteful. Again, to summarize, this is a 200 horsepower Ocean 4Motion, so 4-wheel drive with DSG automatic gearbox. The Ocean standard has LED headlights. It has the auxiliary heater, electric roof. You have 4 beds. You have the climate control and the front seat heating and so on. And then we have added stuff like adaptive cruise control. We have added privacy glass in the back, parking sensors front and back with park assist, so it can park itself, and it has also sensors on the side. And then we have the rear view camera like we showed. Then we have the Discover Media Pro navigation, so the largest screen. We have the digital cockpit, lane assist, traffic sign recognition, light and vision pack. You have the cassette awning, which is a great addition. You have the outside shower, a comfort mattress, and a removable tow bar. So if you have more questions about this car or you want an offer, please contact us and we'll try to do it. We can ship all throughout Europe. We do ship throughout Europe, the mainland, and if you live on an island somewhere, we can make you a special deal for that too. So again, see you in the next video.